Good morning, everyone. Last day we had read the chapter number 11 named My Family, and I explained the chapter last day. So today we will do its exercises and question answers. So let's start. So here is the first exercise, fill in the blanks. First point is my father's name is dash. So here you have to write the name of your father. Now the second line is my mother's name is dash. Here you will write the name of your mother. Third point is my brother's name is dash. So here you will write the name of your brother. And fourth point is my sister's name is dash. So here you will write the name of your sister. Now turn the page number 52. The fifth point is my grandmother's name is dash. So here you will write the name of your grandmother's. And the last point is my grandfather's name is dash. So here you will write the name of grandfather's. So this first exercise, fill in the blanks, you will do by yourself because each student have different father's name, mother's name, brother's name, sister's name, grandfather's name and grandmother's name. So each have different names. That's why I can't write one name here. So do that exercise number 1, fill in the blanks by yourself as your homework. Now the next exercise is answer the questions. So here questions are given, but you will not write its answer here because I have already written question answers in copy, different question answers those are. So you don't need to do this exercise because we will do question answers in copy. Now come to the last exercise, that is Rashmi and Rahul are children of Mrs. and Mr. Sharma. Now circle the correct words. So the first point is Rashmi is the daughter or oblique son of Mr. Sharma. So Rashmi is the name of girl. So she will be daughter, not son. So we will circle the correct answer. Daughter is the correct answer and we will circle it. Now the next is Rahul is the daughter oblique son of Mr. Sharma. So Rahul is the name of a boy. So he will be son obviously. So we will here circle the son. Now the next point is Mr. Sharma is the father oblique mother of Rashmi and Rahul. So Mr. Sharma is man, so obviously he will be father. He cannot be mother because mother will be female. So we will circle here father. Now the last point is Mrs. Sharma is the father oblique mother of Rashmi and Rahul. So Mrs. Sharma is female woman. So we will circle here mother because man can be a father but woman cannot be a father. Now let's do is word meaning of the chapter number 11 and question answers also. So here the word meaning, the first word is cousin, a child of your uncle. So cousin means what? Your uncle's child. Now the next word is together with each other means, so when people are living with each other or any things placed with each other, so with each other is called together. Now the next last word is uncle. So the brothers of one's father means one's father's brother is called uncle. Now come to the question answers. Now the first question is what is a small family? Answer: a family in which parents and their one or two children living together, that is called small family. So in a small family children should be one or two, not more than that, otherwise it will not be called small family. Now the next question is what is joint family? A family in which three or more generation living together. So where three or more generation living together, that is called joint family, like your grandfather, mother and your uncle's family. So many families living together, that is called joint family. Now the last question is what kind of family do you have? So here you have to write what kind of family do you have. This answer I have not written here because each student will be have different kind of families, like some maybe have a small family, some maybe have big family, some maybe have joint family. So that's why I didn't write here answer. You will write this you will write answer of this question by yourself. If you have small family, you will write here small family. If you have big family, you will write here big family. If you have joint family, you will write here joint family. So three kinds of families are there: small family, big family, and joint family. In a small family, parents and one or more than one means two children live together. And in big family, parents and more than two children living together. And in joint family, parents and many families, like grandfather, grandmother, uncle's family, and brother's family, and your family. So here so many families are living together, so that is called joint family. So what kind of family do you have? You will write its answer here. So in this way your chapter number 11 question answers and exercises are done. So do exercises in your book and question answer and word meaning in your copy. Thank you.